Today I would like to teach you how to crochet the Tunisian extended stitch. It is a super fun way to use the Tunisian simple stitch and extend onto it with a chain to make it a little bit longer and provide some extra texture and a beautiful look to it. So let's get started. So in order to crochet the Tunisian extended stitch, the first thing you need to know is the abbreviation of this stitch is TES. So if you see that somewhere, that's what this means. So now let me actually show you how to do the stitch. So the first thing you want to do is have a foundation row of the Tunisian simple stitch. Just have that ready and then you can get started. You always need a foundation row and the Tunisian simple stitch is typically used for that. So in order to actually crochet the stitch, you're going to use that front vertical bar right here. So you know there's two of them, one in the back and one in the front. You're going to use the front one. So what you're going to do is you insert your hook like so from right to left. If you're lefty, it's from left to right. Then yarn over and pull through. So that looks like a Tunisian simple stitch, right? But in order to turn it into an extended stitch, you're going to yarn over and pull through again. So now you made that extra chain right there. That extends the stitch a little bit. You could, by the way, here in the beginning, add an extra chain beforehand if you wish, but typically your yarn kind of pulls up that way, so you should be fine. So again, you're going to insert your hook and through the vertical bar, yarn over and pull through, and then you do another yarn over and pull through again. So you're creating that extra chain, which creates the extended stitch. Once you reach the end, you're going to do what you typically do is you're going to insert your hook right here through the edge. So that's just the edge stitch. So yarn over and pull through. So you could even add an extended stitch over here on top of it if you like. I'm going to leave it as is. Yarn over and pull through one. So you finished your forward path. Now we're going to do the reverse path, right? So the first one is always yarn over, pull through one, then yarn over and pull through two. And you're going to do that for the rest of them as well. So the reverse path is done exactly the same way as you would do for the Tunisian simple stitch. So now you're just going to keep on going and create every row or whenever you need the Tunisian extended stitch. The important thing is it is made like the Tunisian simple stitch, but with only one small difference, that it has a chain in between here, which extend the stitch and make it a little bit bigger. So I hope this video was helpful on how to do the extended simple stitch. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a new video or go live. Be sure to check out the link in the description as I have a bunch of free Tunisian crochet projects for you. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!